Adia green book mu. Now Mr. Mahama pe abaya bedi. No one person will be all catch and say we I'm a military for no. Yes, this and baby. Dominic need to warn end this ni Sabe or MPP minister. It's your ban sign idea commission. Ah, yes, ye fenipa. Emani ye juma. A friend ye baby. Na one down dinner home. Ghana near Susu. And you know, some crofo we are that. Yes, sorry, I had a super Mohammedan. The minister mentioned that current civil works are 90% complete, while that of housing is about 50% complete. Overall works are 70% complete. He further noted that the facility will be handed over to the government in the second half of 2020 after electricity connections are done. All right, Yankosro. For the military hospital. Construction of the medical facility, which commenced here since the country for Makatia Musamun Kanyo, Avram Bemoshen, Nomun Kanyo. Some common sense for HB for Nomun Kanyo. Omun Kan. Because some kind of Kadomu comedy as you are missing this one. Kofa Green Book. We end this near Kofa Green Book. Not say Green Book near Moamo Castle, my. Oh, there be the book of the oh, there be one, there be the work of the word, Jinawa. Koshe and this Green Book Muniama Moka Semaye. Ah, and then the same people will come and stand and ask, say, we need hospitals. Namon Ferry, you guys have no shame. I feel you say construction of the medical facility, which commenced in 2014 and scheduled to be completed in July 2016. Has stalled because of delayed tax exemptions approval. Company now every year, usually your mom with tax exemptions, construction for your mom with tax exemptions. Mr. Mahama no man to me approve idea we are mom tax exemption now, mom that from 2014 out to 2016. And Okojina Dakatono was our commission. Afit the tax exemption was eventually granted in 2017. But 2017, now one and 2017, January 7th, one and and ya Kufuado. Adia nan komube to media company, Nama company, military hospital, Nama Farifo. Now one more in who sebi usage, they stalled on it on the tax exemption. A Kufuado buy and Yama tax exemption. After the contractor, Mesa EDI, had been on site for almost 3 years. So for 3 years, after the hospital, we not end this what so. Your campaign, you know, the project suffered contractual dispute between the main contractor, Mesa, and the subcontractor, Mesa MBS, Mesa Hanisa, which lasted for 8 months, leading to the termination of the subcontracts. The case is currently in court, explained Mr. Nitiu. The ministry, however, re-awarded or signed be re-awarded the subcontract to new subcontractors, Mesa African Building Partners and Mesa Core Construction, which took a while to due to background checks that were required and completion of all necessary documentations. The new subcontractors moved to site finally. Yeah. Okay. Or say finally in November 2018, the new subcontractor Kufuado Baby were faded who say Ferini and young Juma. The NDC for to say ye jato ho. The NDC for say ya abandoned. No more dia check gullible Ghanaian due to tip him no money in sent to Oma GD. Now Sebi Captain Kwasi Ampeni Jimmy Smart ya wo be wiase wonye papa da na bone ne Kwasi asam nkwa na wo bi kura wo history bi na me girl no like I like her. That is why I just decided not to blow you out. But Kwasi asam a wo de ye Ghana gospel artist for man ni na me I have it but me no I'm not into that kind of thing. What be jina be chance to send out for the hospital there. Kwasi won Kwasi a people now wo ye campaign bo mu Jimmy for Captain Smart afi be do de ko Jimmy for Kwadwo Smart yo se Kwadwo Jimmy Smart ya what do you smart so smartness be any witrim won crofo a wo ye campaign mo mu de 2 or 3 years ya tax exemption keke ne ye tumi fa ma company. Are you aware of that? Tax exemption keke ye tumi fa ma company. Are you aware of that? Captain Kwasi Smart, are you aware of that? Yaka warning crofo yire na abeje. Yaka warning crofo kununum na abeye ku na wo free air condition with me ntuaka. Na gospel artist for my yeah obrabe program and ebrebe sia no hotel where no say Kwasi adwuma na atega na wudi. The Kufado wouldn't allow that into no Kwasi uko kwapai. Akufo-Addo empene sentu muni yakum watiku apampacho there be men too much na mamin kan. They finally moved in November 2018 to commence work which has steadily progressed.
Bro up is kababetina live now or worry about it. No. A crab boy we no get time oh. Cause she omu Jimmy or Facebook no mu Jimmy omu ya omu ye Kwasi asem from Kwasia mbani mbema na Kwasia foni na Asante from Kumasi people from Sunyani from Jimmy nkwa no mu go no mu Jimmy nkwa no mu Jobi see Mr. Wise come and lead. I'm not here to lead you where Jimuni trust them. Me catch on says you are free chronomu leave the fucking country. Kofa Brazil anyway. Neja side demonstration no. Now where Jimmy Kwasi awu ya demonstration ankasa no. Yebisa say what is your right as a citizen a unim. Abua. Yebisa say okay what do you want the government to change? Unim. I come na ado. I come and I do. I come na do na wa sorry na ujina because a juma ni wa u sorry wa kotina ghetto munya kona bi dia konja ba ku mieni su na mu shiwi. You say you from ghetto be any Ghana o kroni enko ye ejuma ni kromu ho into Kwasi asem no awo nyansa no wo nyansa na wo unjimi ye no no wa hwe fia ofrim se Mexico ana we no befa Brazil na nkofo ekọ no omu nche o aboa na utuna na obi dada o abroche no nkofo na omu demonstration wa abroche no go check record those people leading demonstration from Malcolm S Martin Luther King Farrakhan Kwasi afọ na ho omu na omu demonstration wa America Europe no omu wan akronfo bi wo mu bi sao wan obi akọ state property scatter wan hu bi da mi bi sao wan hu bi da wakọ fa akronfo ebe lead demonstration before you become a Uber lead demonstration no say we straight. Are you a Muslim? I'm your gbemimi. Kwasia everything that you bring religion me o ma mi twem. Ubi sam I am Muslim. Kwasia Bible no kasa